now say. Nature is timeless. Enjoy.
How's it going? Are you going?
So, I'm not really supposed to be
No, the next one I'm going to
Celtic.
You don't have one. I'm projecting over this.
I don't want
Like you?
Yeah.
How your customer, your pain deserve you. Doesn't matter, he likes you, huh?
Right, wait,
No, just, you're off.
It's okay. Reference can be really interesting. Very good. 2014. Just single row of lines. Thoughts. I'm really good.
Halfway, 7 months. There's the need to play down. There's far. Like clean, very Tholastic. Ocean, Tholastic. I mean, it's so far. Reading the ocean.
Reading the ocean. Yes.
How is it? Good. You just look at the show. You embellish. Yeah,
I shall whatever. We should be in a quick on absolutely best around just one cheese, funny cheese. No, it's supposed to be like my thing orgasm and then what's happening now. Which is not so cool.
okay, just please answer my questions. That's how you wish I would do.
Ja, yes. Ja, jag tror det är så. Vad är det som är det? Det är så.
I was carrying the lemons the other day.
No. How's it?
You know, sorry.
Okay, fine.
See what you're doing.
Bread has existed in some form for over 1,000 years, especially amongst the poor. Flour and water, or simple. Even today, grain represents 65% of all agriculture. Fruits and vegetables only 6%. Ancient Greek peasants dipped their stale, measly bread in wine for breakfast. And how did Jesus teach us to pray, not beg for our daily bread? It is always in the food of the common man. But you, my dear guests, are not the common man, so tonight, you get no bread. In the spirit, please enjoy the unaccompanied accompaniments.
The bread will not be eaten. I think they encourage you to crafting partners at the How to Eat Rain Project devoted to during basis.
Really good.
That's finished. Really good. And he's all king where food is. That's all. Sure. I will say, but this emulsion does slightly split. Yeah, which is really in English. You really should see that. That's what it's like.
Next level answer. What do you use for always? The game starts to overshoot the target. One again.
Wait, you like this? It's basically all you.
It's a concept.
I have no confidence.
Doesn't even it's not just gender. It's just you don't follow rules.
Only one is one thing there's something like I know. Can't do it.
There's no one ever called you on
I know, right? Yeah, I'm sure that's it. It's easy.
How do you do?
Why not?
Of course, you're going to mouse. You would think.
Here's another thing. Here's the other side.
Excuse me. Oh, well, actually, no. Thanks for asking. I know through training totally sessions, but could we easy over here? So wouldn't be
No. No.
It's all very clever. I don't want to start it. You know who we are, right?
Yes.
You do? You know who we are?
I know who you are.
You know we're the bear, right?
No, we're forms of there.
Exactly. So you know you all play on the same team. Just look at the let's go slowly. Okay?
No. I said no, yes.
Okay. Wow. Okay. That's all the things.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Don't be less than desired. So just
Okay, just not bad. Good luck. It's all good. I'm honest. You want to try? No. This is something. That was the last video. Sorry, that was no. Sorry.
You haven't touched your food.
hey, there's no food.
Well, this is good.
So lots more food come. Don't
Then my house life just designed for us to drink that, so even better. Easy. And then you only necessity.
It doesn't eat.
That's not what I meant. You know it.
Oh, thank you. Because I'm people decide when to eat them. Thank you.
The 2013 film from Lucifer, we can't immersion into a different slaughter. Oh, you know, just carrying the backgrounds of a faint sense of longing and regret.
Longing and regret. Okay, there. She's very good. How do you know?
We don't.
Oh, really? That was like clear.
She's saying that she does.
You don't think so?
She's saying that.
That seems far away.
Wait, wait. Why would we leave?
Associate development concept.
What else?
In development, developing or helping develop things.
Okay, that works.
In the future, like corporate, different kind of future. That's a corporate.
That's all just like that.
Next course is called memory, and that's what I evoke. Memory. So I think it's memory of mine. When I was growing up, the child what I was. Tuesday was Taco Night. Taco Tuesday. And this is my mother. This is brother. This is not unusual. When I was 7 years old, one Tuesday, my father came home quite drunk. Really drunk. Also not unusual. My mother rang me and screamed at which point he proceeded to wrap the telephone cord around her neck and pull it tight. My way. Scream, make him stop. Make him stop. I finally had 7 5 kitchen scissors. You remember that? I was so sure 7 throat but we're not so smart when we're young. It wasn't even imagined. Very memorable Taco Night. So, here you have House Smoke Rescue Al Pastor, our own British made master. One of our former signature dishes. We think constantly because knows this has been a staple since day one. It's a virtual sin.
Put me on that.
Put me on that. Precisely what map would that be? I wonder. Anyways, because we're always innovating and we fear relevance. An update for classic. The images on the located in using laser engraving machines the first time used. We always have to make strong memories for us all. Enjoy. You are? All right,
They're restaurants. That I reviewed that whole close.
so, like that.
Thanks. Which one are these?
Taco things for
No, the pictures are all about. This one second, no, from your border. There's Spanish. No, I remember that. How do you?
No, don't take it for us.
Jesus Christ, what's the same?
Yeah, I think I'm
Oh, it's for
Oh, that's call it up, don't park that script. What's your
Maybe Jeff is your friend, right?
Yeah, friends. I mean, many friends. Wait, what the fuck? These? I need these. It's not good.
Excuse me. Yeah, what?
These are tortillas. Tortillas deliciousas.
What are these?
These are tortillas, which are taken by tax secretary and created with charges.
How do you get it?
I'm sorry, the chef never used those recipes.
Can you hold up your? No, that's what I'm using.
Oh, no, that would be necessary. Enjoy. And this is to you. Who's that one?
Well, that's right. It's fake. It's a stupid joke. It's a fucking taco. Okay, you have taco. You have to blow it. And then you just talk to it. Right?
Well, I'll tell you, make it right. Excuse me, sir. Hi. Did you think so? No, I don't care.
Send you back.
I need to go to the most
Oh, God. This is what I
Goodness. Miss Nose, how can I see? Just a quick laser, right this way. Thank you. What's on this, bro? Something very special. No, we can't. You shouldn't get
I like enough specifically what it was in the last course that you didn't enjoy. You barely eaten food. Why? I need to know. Why don't you eat?
Why do you care?
I take my work very seriously. You're not eating. You're not losing.
Makes me sound very hungry.
I told you why I'm Julian Sullivan. I'm chef here. Now who are you? I'll ask you who or you.
I'm Morgan Moss.
So where are you from?
I'm Morgan Moss. I'm going to do that when you guys want to
Not me. I think you are. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Morgan.
You should be here tonight.
Please step out of the way.
excited. We're ready for our next course. Excuse me.
What's going on?
Would you say okay? Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet sous chef Jeremy Loudon. Jeremy created the next dish. It's called the mess. Originally from Sparks, Nevada, Jeremy studied culinary institute in Hyde Park. Jeremy's role, as you know, in a heartfelt letter, also worked for me here at Hawthorne. Isn't that right, Jeremy? Yes, chef. Jeremy's talented. He's good. He's very good. But he's not great. He'll never be great. He desperately wants my prestige, my job, my talent. He aspires to greatness that he'll never achieve. Correct, Jeremy. Yes, chef. Like me at his age, Jeremy has forsaken everything to achieve his goals. Like mine, his life is pressure. Pressure to put out the best food in the world. And even when all goes right and the food is perfect and customers are happy and treats well too, there's no way to avoid the mess. The mess you make of your life, of your body, of your sanity.